Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make text bigger in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show make text bigger. Now select from any text. Now select from a text option. Then going to the home menu option. Then click for a increase from font size. Now for click. That's it. Then again another text. Now for select. Then click for a increase font size. That's it. Now you can see make text bigger in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.